game time. Let's rock and roll. This is a blockbuster clash. Paddy, I know you've got plenty to say about this game, and your co-commentator Brijesh MG as well.
Analyzes, gauges, picks up the bonus for fun.
Bonus point.
And not even discuss Shardul because they're winning that time. Vishal Bhardwaj!
Right around. 1 point.
Absolutely lethal. First tackle of the first half is celebrated by Shriram Finance. Ultratech do or die opportunity. One home, one chance. No chance! When Fazal is there, you have no chance.
Right around.
Huge role in this one. 1 versus 5. The bonus is not there. Keep an eye on the clock. The clock is ticking. The Raider has to hurry. The Raider does it! That's a bombastic, fantastic moment by Agent Ashu. This is what he does.
Right shape. 3 points.
A whole host of bodies going out. It's a super raid, courtesy Agent Ashu.
A proper Raider for a situation such as that. He's very, very happy. Dabang Delhi will have the all-out. Puneri inflicting the all-out on Puneri Paltan is a huge statement.
Dabang Delhi.
Last 5 minutes. 3 more points, Dabang Delhi.
He's wreaking havoc here.
Right shape.
He's absolutely wreaking havoc.
Dabang Delhi.
Except for Fazal Atrachali. He's looking completely relaxed. He's threatening.
Right shape, 2 points, Puneri Paltan.
Let me just give you context here.
Ashu doesn't make it across. The Puneri Paltan are in the lead. It's always on.
Bonus point.
The context to
Dabang Delhi,
Joginder Narwal's green card.
almost 3 points.
Gaurav Khatri has 3 tackle points on the night. What an incredible corner he is. Look at that speed from Aditya Shinde. Maybe he's had a change of shoes in between
Right
halves,
shape,
man.
1 point, Puneri Paltan.
Neeraj, you have to do it for the side. Time is running. 10 seconds are under. He carries it. This is a brave effort. Not 1 but 2. He goes through. All right, Sachin Tanwar just needs to cross the balk line. That's it. That's it. They have this. Well done, Delhi. Now, if they don't allow him to cross the balk line, if he has not crossed the balk line, they will lose a point because it's mandatory for a Raider to cross that white line, 1 foot across it, the other foot up in the air. Only then the raid becomes legal and legitimate. It's as simple as that. The decision from the umpire. Oh, yes! Oh, yes!
Right around.
It is a tiebreaker.
1 point.
That's a mistake. They do not have a review.
Dabang Delhi.
Puneri Paltan do not have a review. It's a tie,
Okay.
and it will be a tiebreaker. Put your money in my pocket, buddy. Except this would look. Why are they defending so high up? Because that white line, not the mid line, the white line behind the defense, which is normally the balk line behind which a Raider must step to legitimize his raid, is also now the bonus line, and that is a very quick point. Actually,
Right
very
shape,
smart here
1
from
point,
Dabang Delhi.
Puneri Paltan.
Delhi just granted that point because Surjit was saying, I'm the only one who's going to go for it. And so very close to the midline, you're never going to win it. Now he tries for a bonus. I think he's got it already. They've given it for the second time. Take it, go back. So what the Paltan are doing is they're not playing that higher. Sultan Fazal Atrachali. And that is the reason Surjit should
Right
be in
shape,
a close vicinity.
1 point,
Far,
Puneri
far away.
Paltan.
The Golden Raid. They're more than happy to take it down to the Golden Raid. They're saying Ashu not more than 1. 5 to Puneri.
Right shape,
5 to
1
Dabang
point,
Delhi.
Dabang Delhi.
For the first time in their history, in its first week, has thrown up a Golden Raid, ladies and gentlemen.
Fresh toss for Golden Raid. Okay. Choose one. Your call. Tail, head. Head it is. Red.
Ashu confirms the jersey number. You need to cross the box line, which is the bonus line. I think he's got it. Will he try it for the 3rd time? He still has time. He may try to get a touch point as well. In the process, they just end up giving a point to the opponents. He gets it! Dabang Delhi have won this!
Bonus plus 1 point, Dabang Delhi.
What a fabulous victory! What a goal!